Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is Career Counseling Module 2, in which we will discuss about the key components of career counseling. In today's course, we will discuss what is career counseling. The students will understand that career counseling is a systematic process in which the career counselor helps us to understand our own values, passions, skills, strengths, and weaknesses. And the career counselor also helps us in exploration of various careers so that we can take an informed decision regarding our career. The students will also understand that there are some key components of career counseling such as self-assessment, career exploration, education planning, goal setting, decision making, etc. The students will also understand that self-assessment has an important role to play in career counseling. And in self-assessment, the career counselor helps us to identify our skills, aptitudes, strengths, and weaknesses. The students will also understand that self-assessment involves identifying our personal interests. Personal interests mean those works which we like to do, those activities which we find as satisfying. The students will also understand the meaning of personal values. The example of personal values are honesty, dedication towards work, discipline. These are the personal beliefs or those things which we want to maintain in our life. Then the career counselor will also help us in identifying our strengths and weaknesses. They can identify the same on the basis of assessment tests by way of the interviews or discussions. The students will also understand that what is the meaning of skills. The career counselor helps us in evaluating our skills and natural talents on the basis of various assessment tests, interviews, and discussions and other methods. Career counselor has also an important role to play in career exploration. That is, they guide us how to research various career options, and for that we can talk to the different persons who are working in different fields. We can inquire from them about the job responsibilities, duties, salaries, working conditions, etc. We can also come to know about the various career options, that is what are the job responsibilities, by reading the newspaper ads, or we can also learn about various career options, that is we can do research of various career options by online searching, online internet surfing. The career counselors are specialists in their fields. Their main aim is to guide the clients so that they can achieve a successful, or they can achieve their career goal. They are well informed about the current job market trends and what are the demands in the market, which industries are likely to see a boom and which industries are likely to see a downfall in future. They can also guide the clients which skills are likely to be in demand in future. So when the students will understand that, when they are in a position to guide us on the various aspects of the various career options, then they are very beneficial for us if we are still thinking to make up our mind regarding our career goal, or if we are doing a job and are not satisfied with our job, they can even help us in career transition. And there may be some problems in our career advancement, then the career counselors can also help you in formulating a proper strategy so that you can get promotion in your career. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.